It is about 10:30 now, and I'm getting a little hungry. I'm gonna make a potato. I'm about to start uploading the video that I just finished editing finally, and now I'm about to watch the finale of Shane Dawson's series on Jeffree Star. I'm so excited. Are y'all ready? I'll have them all linked below if you haven't watched them. Hurry up and catch up. Okay, let's go. I'm on the way to Walmart to pick up some stuff ordered for pickup, because apparently that's a thing now. I've never been to Chipotle. It didn't work out the other day, so maybe I should go to Chipotle. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Are you hungry? You hungry, girl? You hungry? Good girl. It's 7 p.m. and I've been awake for 12 hours. Well, a little more than 12 hours, and I am so sleepy. Look at this ice cream. Yeah. I don't feel good. I feel like my throat hurts and my head hurts. This is the Breyers version of the Cookie Two-Step made by Bluebell, except this is like Oreo and Chips Ahoy instead of cookies and cream and cookie dough. I like the Chips Ahoy. It's like chocolate chip cookie ice cream. It's different. It's not like vanilla with hunks of dough in it. This is a much better idea. It was like $4 too. 4 instead of 7. I thought that was you making that noise. What the hell kind of bug is that? And what kind of noise is that? I think you're scared. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. It's scared. It's scared. Leave it alone. It's scared. Leave it alone. It's scared. Leave it alone. There we go. Oh, it won't go. It won't get off. Get off my phone. Okay, stop. Leave it alone. Right, leave it alone. It's scared. What's even going on with it? Leave it alone. Is it okay? Hi. Your tail's cute. What you doing? Why are you sneezing? What are you? Sorry about the light, sir. What the? Oh my god, that's so weird. Freya. Freya. Freya, leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. I put it outside like 2 or 3 hours ago and it's just sitting here. Sneezing. Shit. Maybe, is it an alien? Stop. Okay, it's weird. It's creeping me out. You're creeping it out. It's creeping you out. Everybody stop. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, I can feel it. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I'm just doing it good. Oh, don't get on me. Oh. Okay. Okay, get off. Now, off. There we go. Goodbye, sir. Don't be mad about it. I didn't make it. I fell asleep. Maybe around 9 or 9:30. My back was hurting so bad, I laid on a heating pad, fell asleep watching YouTube, and it's now a little after 2 a.m., and I am drinking coffee, playing with my kitty cat. She's such a cat. And I've included all 5 links to that series in the description box of the last several videos that I've made for more than one reason. I have been a fan of Jeffree Star for over 10 years. I've been a fan of Shane Dawson since the very first time I saw him about 1.5 years ago on YouTube. Anyway, just wanted to say good morning, sort of. I'm pretty sure I'm up. This is why I can't have a normal job or live a normal life, because my circadian rhythm is broken. If anybody can relate, let me know. It's now a little bit after 6, and Freya has let me know in no uncertain terms it's time for her to eat again. circle, just like that. Does anybody even know what hypersomnia is, or how it affects people, or how it's ruining my life, or what I can do to fix it? I think I might just do more videos about my daily life, because what I've become accustomed to and what's normal for me is really strange for other people. And some people have even told me they find it interesting. So, welcome to my world. Little cat shenanigans. Coffee. We'll play with makeup. We'll put on face masks. And speaking of face masks, I have this 24 karat gold mask from Absolglow, and I wanted to try this mask on half my face, and the other half I wanted to try the Peter Thomas Roth one and just do a little side-by-side comparison. So if you want to see that, it'll probably be in my next video. I think that's all for this one, so I will let you guys go until the next video.